Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. We're going to go over some charts this morning. And the market just keeps going down. Let me join the chat here. All right. Audio's good, video's good. I got to change a couple things in my settings here. Just give me a second. Hope everyone's doing okay. I hope you guys have some USDT or cash to buy these dips over the past couple weeks, instead of making the mistake I make over and over again, where I'm too overexposed on crypto. I'm already 100% in crypto. Therefore, I can't buy the dip. But I can get a little. We're going to look at the charts here, and especially the 50-week moving average. I'm just still setting up the stream here. It takes a minute. But we're about to go over charts. Altcoin dump. You'll see that this is nothing but a buying opportunity. It really is. Nothing's touched the 50-week on the weekly scale. All right, we're done. Let's go. Let's share my screen. One second. Still setting things up. 1 second. Wee-hoo. The song's stuck in my head. Wanna get away. Wee-hoo. All right, let me share my screen so you guys can see what I'm doing. But welcome back to Crypto Lodge, where we just look at charts and talk about low cap gems and things of that nature. Just setting up the final touches for our stream, because I streamed to like 30 different platforms. So I gotta drop the links at the right places. And it's not exactly quick. But how are you guys doing? Hope you guys have some USDT or some cash money to buy these dips. Remember, this stream's not going to be financial advice. It's financial opinion. You're going to be seeing some charts that are going to make you want to buy. But this is financial opinion, and I could be wrong. We could drop all the way down to the 50-week. You'll see in a second. Just hang in there for one more second. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. We're about to look at some charts. These charts will make you want to buy the dip. Remember, this isn't financial advice. And we'll be sharing my screen in T minus 30 seconds. So just hang in there 1 second. And thank you for your patience. And hit the thumbs up. And that's about it. This is the last link I need to send. And then we can look at the charts. All right. That'll do, doggy. That'll do. Now, let's share my screen. Get rid of this. Or maybe keep that. That's nice. Let's share my screen. There we go. The market's up 1.21%. That's great. That's what I like to see. What's up in 24 hours? Numeraire, Engine. Cardano's back up 10%. Kasama. So we're seeing some green in the market. I like to see that. What's not doing very well? Zcash, Monero. That's one chart we need to bring up. Monero's a strong token. It just went up quite a bit. Huh. Let's look at what's going up the most in the hour. I like to see that sometimes. Numeraire has gone up 8% in the hour. Engine 7% in the hour. That's pretty cool. Let's see your stocks do that every single day. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly. Everybody here, everybody strapped in, ready to start the show? So it has gone way above the 50-week moving average for quite some time. You could say Bitcoin was overextended for sure. And it had to come back down. It almost touched the 50-week moving average, but it didn't. If we look at the numbers from wick to wick on the weekly, Bitcoin dropped 53%. We're currently down 44%, which means it's got to take 45% to get to a new all-time high. So buying the dip here on Bitcoin could give you about 60% return. And it's the same no matter how you look at it. From where we're at now to a new all-time high, it's 46%. So I don't hold any Bitcoin. And remember, this isn't financial advice. You see, we normally keep the 50-week as bull market support. Look how many times we've pretty much bounced off it, stayed above it. Every time you get too far away from it, it's a good idea to sell 10%, hold it in USDT, and then when we come back down to the 50-week, it's a good idea to buy back with that 10%. Pretty simple concept. So your best gains, in my financial opinion, will not be with Bitcoin. Even though long term it will outperform the S&P by a long shot. Let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum is doing much better. Ethereum had this great accumulation zone for a while, but as you can see, it's gone way above the 50-week. And even the correction did not bring it as close to the 50-week moving average as Bitcoin did. If we take a measured move from wick to wick, Ethereum dropped 60%, which means Ethereum needs to go up 61% to break a new all-time high. And we're still way above the 50-week moving average, and we have not come down to touch it in quite a while. But Ethereum has a lot coming. 2.0, optimism, scaling solutions. I can see us breaking a new all-time high tomorrow. So for this reason, I also do not hold any Ethereum until 2.0. If 2.0 is a success, I might buy some Ethereum. The majority of my portfolio, I'd say 51%, is in Cardano. Cardano is far from its 50-week moving average. It's done very well. It's very overextended, and it hasn't even launched smart contracts yet. This is all in anticipation of Cardano's smart contracts. That's all this is. So from wick to wick, Cardano dropped 60%, just like the rest of them. Bitcoin and Ethereum needs to go up 61% to break a new all-time high. It's already actually from here. Cardano's doing well. From here, Cardano only needs to go up 42%, 41% to break a new all-time high. If it closes a candle above $2.30 there. So for that reason, I hold Cardano because they come in with smart contracts in July, folks. So I see this. I see Cardano doing something like this. I can do that right. There we go. Something like, geez, let me just grab this. Something like this. And then again, it'll have a pullback. I think it's going straight up. I think it's going straight up into July. When is July? Well, that's soon. This could honestly be more like this, because July soon. Smart contracts launch on Cardano soon, and we're going to $5 as soon as people start using smart contracts on Cardano. So for that reason, it's 51% of my portfolio. And I have no background in finances. I'm just good with crypto. Phantom almost touched its 50-week moving average, and it's a great project. Anybody watching? Anyone listening? Matt Morrison's. Yo, sorry, I just joined the live stream. Do you think I should buy some Bitcoin in ADA now, or wait till or will the market still drop? I'll start from the beginning for you, buddy. I explained that Bitcoin is not going to give the most gains. For that reason, I don't hold any Bitcoin. If if you've been in crypto longer than a couple of months, especially if you've been in crypto for a couple of years, then you know that we just keep making new all-time highs. So in order for Bitcoin to make a new all-time high, it needs to go up 70%. So you're looking at 70% gains. Nice. That's sweet, but that's not going to be the biggest mover over time, and it's not going to be the biggest mover over the next couple weeks if the market comes back up, which it always does. And the same with Ethereum. I don't hold any Ethereum because you're looking at similar gains to get back to the all-time high. 67% gains. That's, I mean, from here, you're better off holding Bitcoin than Ethereum because it looks like you'll get some quicker gains. But I could be wrong about that. I could be wrong about everything. This is not financial advice. And Cardano. I hold 51% of Cardano. My portfolio is 51% Cardano because July is that's June. Let me put a vertical line on July. So this is May, June, and let's just say the middle of July. Right there's the middle of July. I see the price doing this, and it's going up in anticipation. And then once it hits July, once smart contracts go live in July here, it's to the moon. It's over $5 as soon as people start using it for DeFi, for minting their own tokens. I could talk about Cardano all day long. But for that reason, it's 51% of my portfolio. Phantom. On to Phantom. I hope that was sufficient for you. Let's move on. Engine went up 4% this hour. That's great. That's great. So we're having a little bit of a correction to the upside in the market, which I love to see. The market's up 1.43%. You guys remember looking at this and seeing negative 21%? Oh boy. So engine went up 7.8, almost 8% in the hour. Engine's not stopping, is it? Look, at one point it was a little higher. So let's look at losers, of course, in the week still. Internet computer is centralized. Terra's still a great buy. I think I got that chart coming up. I should. Luna, one of the best projects out there. All right. So next we're going to look at Phantom. Phantom's a sweet blockchain. AnySwap, cross-chain DEX, runs on Phantom. You can pretty much swap anything between any blockchain on Phantom. It's amazing. And it's super low market cap and it's a super low price. And it dropped almost all the way down to its 50-week moving average. And check this out. Talking about gains, talking about how much gains it takes to get back to all-time high. From here to a new all-time high with Phantom, FTM, we're looking at 218% gains. That's over a 2x, just a 3x, just to get to our new all-time high, which will happen quickly. Phantom's a great blockchain, in my financial opinion, and I'm just an idiot broadcasting all over the world. Moving on. That's why Phantom is in my portfolio. Moving on. And I see Phantom going well above $1 and then some. We're going to be seeing some 10x's here, multiple 10x's here with Phantom in the coming future. Next project. And check out AnySwap.exchange. And there's the pool. You can add liquidity to facilitate cross blockchain exchanges. This is what I'm always preaching: interoperability. If you go to Phantom Foundation, Phantom with an F, it tells you right in the beginning: one platform, endless solutions. Phantom is a fast, high-throughput, open-source smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps. It bridges it's Ethereum compatible, highly scalable, almost instant transfers. DYOR. Do your own research. I'm going to make a video on Phantom. Let's move along to Harmony One, one of my favorite projects. Also interoperability, which is going to be it's going to be a huge thing in the future. In the coming, it's right now, it's a huge thing, interoperability. And to get to a new all-time high, we need to go up 135%. And for this reason, and because Harmony One is one of the best projects out there, One is in my portfolio. And it's still a small market cap. It's going to be $1 soon enough. Scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance, Harmony One. And the last one I got on the list here is Luna. Let me get rid of this. Let me get our moving average. Oh, I had it. Oh, wow. Or did I not update it? Yep. There we go. Oh, shit. Where did it go? Let's get rid of that. I don't know what happened there. There's the... It's gotta be... It's 50 for 20 weeks. That doesn't make any sense. It disappears. Anyway, Luna's another project that I'm very bullish on, and it's got to go up about 300% to break a new all-time high. If you go to Terra.money, it's programmable money for the internet. The most attractive to hold, the Anchor protocols allows Terra stablecoin deposits to earn stable yield. What is awesome about Luna is that it had a let me just grab my handy dandy date and price range. It dropped 82%. Meanwhile, Terra Luna, DeFi on Terra Luna, Anchor, on Terra Luna. Let's go to the DApp. Where's the DApp? I guess you got to log in, but Anchor runs on Luna. It guarantees the mirror protocol. Yeah. Mirror.finance. All the DeFi on Luna Terra guarantees a 20% APY no matter what happens. And even in a 82% correction of the underlying asset, the APY for people staking their money in the contracts only dropped 2% to 18% APY. So they were still earning 18% APY as the market corrected 82%, as the underlying asset corrected 82%. That's wild. That is wild. Yeah, so the way that this protocol works is it leverages Luna Terra Mirror to create a DeFi AMM, automated market making, that you set and forget and earn 20% APY. And it uses Cosm Wasm. Build your robust dApps on secure multi-chain smart contracts. Cosm Wasm is another great project. It's built on the Cosmos SDK, which great blockchains should be, and Rust. Rust is a great language, and a real IDE support with lots of libraries. Awesome. There's so many good projects, and Chainlink's using it. No, that's crypto.org. Harmony One. That's IrisNet. Huh. These logos all look similar. There's Terra.money, OK Exchange, Secret Network, Fetch.ai, Persistence, Desmos.network. A lot of awesome things happening in crypto. And let's look at some news. Encrypt is a good place to get some crypto news. What is chai? How do you farm it with a hard drive? This NFT self-destructs if global temperatures rise 2 degrees Celsius. That's hilarious. Ethereum sinks 8% Sunday afternoon. Well, where's today's news? Ethereum transaction fees hit lowest levels since January. Of course, everyone there's less use on the network. What is Aave? Aave is a great protocol. What's a DAO? You should look into that if you don't know. DAO. Coinbase says it's a media company. Really? What does that mean? Joe Exotic launches Tiger King cryptocurrency. Gotta open that one. Ooh, they're gonna mention Atari in this. Uh, because Zed Run, the NFT favorite, has partnered with Atari. Let's look at this. Atari's not mentioned in the article. Come on. Oh wait. Right here. There we go. A more imminent arrival to the Zed Run stable is skins. Horses currently come in various hues, including black, pink, and green, but soon Zed will start to auction skins in collaboration with what Laurent calls some of the best brands in the world. Atari. In keeping with the 80s aesthetic, these will be deliverable via collectible NFT cartridges, with the first ones coming as part of a partnership with Atari. I hope I'm not too close to the microphone. Maybe I can back off. And it's mentioned again. Where's the second? Oh, right here. Yeah, the Atari Zed Run trailer. One. Yeah. Look at that. Yes, sir. Atari's really about to blow. I stay tuned at the Atari. No. At the Atari token t.me/Atari token official. There's also a Discord if you prefer Discord. We also have a Telegram. It's t.me/the Crypto Lodge. And we also have a Discord. Where is Discord? Why is it taking so long to launch? Is it down here somewhere? Yep. All right. Our Discord is this. I wish we had a easier name to just tell people. Um, Crypto Lodge. Server settings. Maybe you could just search Crypto Lodge. I'll put it in the description. But we do have a Telegram. I just started it. Only one person came in so far. But we have 93 members in t.me/the Crypto Lodge. So that's pretty cool. We watch Atari closely, that's for sure. I watch Atari closely, that's for sure. I go through everything in this Telegram. There's a weekly AMA. This is the real Atari company, and they're about to launch a new console called the Atari VCS. And you know what? As nice as the website looks, it's in partnership with Chrome, AMD, Kingston. Crypto token or crypto digital. Okay, none of that. Doesn't talk about the token on the main page here, but if you go to menu, maybe all the way down. No, but if you go to Atari.com, go to menu, and I think it's under Atari Investors or Atari Casino. So doom, 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 doom. And let's look for the word crypto. It's mentioned 29 times, crypto. Unless that did an update. No, it's mentioned once. Where is it mentioned? Why is it making me find it? Oh well. Here's the Atari Casino, which you can look at my videos and see that I was running around Decentraland in the Atari Casino having a blast. So that was fun. Atari games, they have thousands of games coming to the blockchain, which is going to be awesome. Lots of NFTs, lots of use cases for the Atari token. Atari announces the creation of two divisions, Atari Gaming and Atari Blockchain, and a change in leadership. Fred Chesney's. And that's in French. There's the blockchain. Yeah, the Atari wallet is awesome. And they're coming with some huge updates soon. (1970) Let's look at this. 1972, Atari co-founded. Pong was released in 1972. The Atari makes its debut in 1977. Atari 400 and 800 home computers are released. 1980, Missile Command released into arcades. 1982, Advanced Video Computer System X released. Will be later renamed the Atari 5200 Super System. 1984, Atari 7800 Pro System gaming console was released. Handheld game console released in 89. Jaguar home video. I mean, all the older investors remember all of this. And 2017, Atari announces development of the Atari VCS hardware entertainment system. So they're still at it. They're still at it. The investor report is nice. I made a video on it. You can go read it, watch it. The white paper is nice. I made a video on it. You can go watch it. What is this? What is chai? How to farm it with a hard drive. Daniel Newman said Atari will be top 50. Can't wait to stake Atari tokens. Are you guys also holding or staking Superbid? Never heard of Superbid. But thanks for subscribing and hitting that thumbs up. I'm interested in this chai. Instead of Bitcoin's proof of work consensus, chai uses a novel proof of space model that uses storage space on hard drives. See, what is it called that does that? Does proof of space time. It's Filecoin, but it's the network Filecoin runs on. And it's the network BTT runs on. Ah, shit. It'll tell us here. It uses... Oh, come on. It uses IPFS. Interplanetary File System. That's what it's called. And IPFS doesn't even have a coin. So, SIA coin, BTT, Filecoin, all these coins like this, including Chai now, are using Interplanetary File System, which uses proof of space-time, which is pretty awesome. And yes, if you install the software, you can mine. If you have storage space, you can mine. Joe Exotic launches Tiger King cryptocurrency. Cat, or T-King. His arch nemesis Carol Baskin also launched a cryptocurrency, Cat. And Joe launched T-King and will soon sell NFTs to help settle legal fees. You can't make this up. There it is. Let's look at this coin market cap. So the first one is T-King. It's got to be here. Tiger King. I bet there's no market cap listed. Yeah, there's not. 47 million fully diluted reported there. No circulating supply reported. In the past, it's gone up. It's gone up a little bit. Jesus, look at the volume going up. Market, where can you get it? Uniswap in 1 inch. Look at the volume for today. $377,000 on Uniswap to Tiger King token. Oh, there, it loaded. Oh, no, never mind. There's no, the total, it's ridiculous. Total supply is like 936 billion. Website's gotta be funny. No source code, obviously. Ethereum token, obviously. Holders. Only 1,200 addresses. The top 10 holders hold 57% of the tokens. The top holder holds 37% of the tokens. The top holder. Talk about whale, right? And the top holder could hold more of these addresses at the top there. Who knows? All right, let's look at cat. It says cat token. But look at Tiger King. It just takes you to tigerking.org. How to buy, join on Telegram. I have to join the Telegram. The Joe Exotic T King Telegram. I have to. How many people are in there? It's got to be a lot. Let me see. 2,311 members. At least Atari Token has more than that. Thank God. All right, Cat Token. Does it say down here it was created by Carol Baskin? No, it's a community that love cats. So I don't know about this Cat Token. It's an Ethereum token with $1 million market cap. Just a hair under 1 million. 44% is in circulating supply. Max supply is 15 million. Not bad. Not bad if it's a good project, but there's no source code. And if you click on the cat token, it's just for people that love cats. It has no utility. But I think it could do very well. I might buy some cat token on my Trust wallet or on Phantom Swap. I mean, any swap. Where'd it go? Whatever. Cool. Daniel said 80% APY staking. Super bid. Filecoin is huge too. Yeah. FIL, there's a huge shortage of FIL. It's out. Well, why is it not showing? Anyway, look at the opportunity. It was all the way up to $188. And now it's at 67. Binance Smart Chain and Hecko. Must be some sort of scaling solution. Hecko Eco Chain. It's scaling. It makes everything faster and cheaper. So Filecoin uses Hecko. That's great. Let's take a look at the analysis. You don't have data on that. Ratings. You don't have data on that? Oh, there we go. A B minus. Socials are good. They gotta be. Actually, development. Where's development? Let's look at wallets. Historical data. Market. Where do you see the holders? Anyway, that's a lot of volume on a lot of exchanges. Filecoin will continue to go up. IPFS is a great system. The cat token, I'm going to get some. And I joined the Tiger King just for entertainment. I got a hand wave on Clubhouse. Cool. Someone tried to show Pi Network to me. And Pi Network is a scam. Don't get involved with that. There's a back door when you install it. So be very careful. Let's see how many people are watching worldwide. 3. One on, well, there's more on YouTube than one. There's one on Facebook and one on Periscope. Okay. It doesn't report who's watching over on Africa TV. This is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool system, Restream. It allows me to stream to any of these channels. And I'm currently streaming to this Russian one. I'm streaming to this African one, Africa.tv. Right there. This Billy, I think it's a Chinese one. Huya is a Chinese one. D Live I'm streaming to. Facebook Live, Twitch I'm streaming. Periscope. LinkedIn denied me. They said I don't have enough credibility on LinkedIn yet. Mixcloud, Daily Motion, all these things, and you can add custom MPs. So I can go to I'm streaming to Theta, all sorts of things. So that's a good app. So I don't have to worry about YouTube or one of these systems deciding to get rid of my channel. Anyways, let's see what the market's doing now. It's still going up. What's up in the hour? IOTA's up 2% in the hour. VeChain's up 2% in the hour. Anchor, Engine Coin, Teller, Monero. Crypto is volatile. I think the last couple weeks have proved that. But once again, we're looking at 135% gains coming for Harmony 1 as soon as we touch new all-time high. And Phantom, we're looking at 215% gains to reach a new all-time high. That's Phantom FTM. Cardano is just going to go explode. I'm not holding ETH and I'm not holding Bitcoin. Let's see what Cardano is doing at the moment. Woo! Look at that. Not bad, not bad. That's pretty bullish. And it's still early in the day. The stock market didn't open yet. Maybe there's going to be a green day in the stock market. Who knows? And look at this. More buys than sells on the depth chart. Probably the same over here for Ethereum. Go to the 15-minute reset chart. Not doing as good as Cardano. But Cardano came up 24% in 16 hours. And it's going up like crazy right now. Very good. Matt Morrison, Daniel Nahman. No matter where you're watching this right now, please heart, like, subscribe. Comment helps the algorithm. Sharing is what helps the algorithm the most. If you the algorithm says if this video is good enough that somebody wants to share it to their Twitter or Instagram or whatever, or just share it to a friend or share it to your own phone, whatever. As long as you share it, the algorithm says this is good content. Look at Cardano go. And that's the 15-minute. Let's look at the 1 minute. Look at that. Look at that on the 1 minute. That's called mooning. When it touches the top of the screen. See, this is a 45-degree angle. This here, that's 45 degrees. And that's the best you should expect for a crypto to do. You get good gains with 45-degree angles. But when it's doing this, going straight to the top of the screen, in a matter of 10 hours, that's bullish. Don't need me to tell you that. Look at that. And I don't think we're going to see much selling. Maybe day traders. But all leverage traders already got liquidated these past couple weeks. But we do know leverage traders are greedy. And they'll keep on finding ways to get more money to go 100x long. Are we going to move the chart? Looks like we're gonna. I guess, engines performing even better. Let's take a look at that on the 15th. On the minute. Ooh, it's dumping back down on the minute, but it's been coming up. It came up 40% in 9 hours. That's akin to Cardano. And now it's dumping back down. People need their profits on Engine, unlike Cardano. So this hour for Engine started red, but it did come up 36% in 8 hours. This candle could end green. The market is up 1%. It's going down a little. It was up 2 something. Biggest movers in the hour is VeChain, Decentraland, Monero, IOTA. Biggest losers in the hour, Numeraire, Engine Coin. Gainers. Cardano there, 2% in the hour. So gainers in the day. Cardano's up there. Gained 11% today and growing, 12%. I love to see the steady growth in the charts here. Eunice said Leo is a very strange project to me, and I definitely want to do a video on it. It's got a lot of gains coming for it. It was all the way up to $2.66. I mean, it's not a lot of gains, but it's doing great lately. It was all the way up to $3.88. It's almost $4. 2.1 billion market cap. It's a cryptocurrency that describes itself as the utility token at the heart of iFinex ecosystem. iFinex agrees to pay $18.5 million to settle New York Tether lawsuit. Is it Bitfinex? Is iFinex Tether? iFinex is there. Okay, it's Bitfinex. Leo.bitfinex, a token designed to empower the Bitfinex community. It's deflationary. I'll have to do a video on this. Daily Leo burns. Amazing. It's deflationary. Here's the white paper. I'm going to do a video on this for sure. I'll see if I can find an updated white paper. Let's take a look at coin market cap for Leo, because I want to see if they got some info on it. It seems to not correlate with the market. It goes up when the market goes down. Okay, there's no GitHub. Is this the same white paper? Yep, from 2019. It's an Ethereum token, discount token for the centralized exchange. Let's look at market cap of 2 billion. Total supply 985 million. It's deflationary. I might have to, let's look at market. Where do you get it? Bitfinex, Gate.io, OK Exchange, Probit, OMG Fin, Uniswap. It's on Uniswap with $9,000 of liquidity today. So you can't get it much places. But the daily volume across everything is $3 million, up 111%. I don't know, guys. I'm going to make a video on this one for sure. All right, that ends the stream for now. I'm going to call it. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. You can join our Telegram at t.me/thecryptolodge. You can follow us on Twitter and message us on Twitter at crypto_lodge. And I make a lot of content, so check out my other content. And like and subscribe and heart and share and do all that. I'll see you guys very soon. I stream a lot.